Hello World. Welcome to BlueJ. You'll start BlueJ by double-clicking on the BlueJ icon. My BlueJ icon is located here on my screen, but you may have to search for yours. You'll go ahead and double-click your BlueJ icon, and when it opens up, it should look something similar to this. The only thing that will be in your folder to start with will be a README text file, which is right here in the white piece of paper. You can ignore this file. Now it is time to create your first program. HelloWorld is the first program that most programmers program, so we are going to create HelloWorld. Before we start, let's talk about Camel Case. You will notice that every time I type HelloWorld, I have begun Hello and World with capital letters, and I run the text together like this, Hello World. This is referred to as upper camel case. With upper camel case, every new word of an identifier begins with a capital letter. In the case of a class name, you will use upper camel case because the first word and then every new word that follows begins with an uppercase letter. We'll talk about lower camel case in a later session. Now let's create a new class and name it Hello World. Click on New Class button in BlueJ and name the class Hello World. Hello World. Again, Hello has a capital H, World has a capital H. Do not change the class type. Leave it as default class setting. Click OK. You now have a single new class, noted by the orange folder, that is not compiled. Go ahead and click on the Compile button located at the left under the New Class button. Notice the visual difference between a compiled Java program and an uncompiled Java program. A Java program must be compiled before it can be executed. Double-click Hello World to open it. Your file should look similar to what you see on the screen. Now, I want you to select everything that is between the open and close curly braces of the green box and delete it. So we're going to start right here where we see instance variables. Drag all the way down, leaving the first open and closed curly braces, and we're going to delete. Pause the video if you need more time to complete that. We are now ready to create our Hello World program. In between the open and closing curly braces, you are going to type the following. So we're going to start out with our main method. Public static void main string with a capital S, open and close braces, brackets, args, and then underneath it we're going to open a curly brace, and then we will type our one statement, which is system.out.println, and that is an ln in println, open parenthesis, Hello World. Because Hello World is a string literal, it needs to be enclosed in quotation marks. And then we're going to close our main method with a curly brace. Curly braces always come in pairs, so make sure you have an open and a corresponding close. Please notice that I have typed each word in the program. Capitalization matters. While the computer itself does not care about the spacing, the code is much easier to read and is an established style in the programming community. I would also like you to update the comment at the top with your name and assignment name or date. The comment is in the green section. This right here is a multi-line comment. So where it says @author, we're going to replace the words your name with your actual name. And where it says @version, a version number or date, we're going to replace that text with today's date. Now you're ready to compile your file and see if it works. We'll click the Compile button up here at the top. If you have any syntax errors, it will be noted at the bottom of the file, and you will need to fix them and then compile again until the file is free of syntax errors. You can close the Hello World editing window and return to this window. Your next step is to right-click on the HelloWorld orange file. You will then click on the Void Main String Args and click OK. A BlueJ terminal window will open up and will display your file. The only thing it should say is Hello World. Congratulations! You have just written your first Java program. To submit the work to me, you will need to do two things. You will copy and paste your code from the It's code into the It's Learning text box. And then you will make a snippet of your terminal window. This is the terminal window that I have on the screen right there. You'll make a snippet of the terminal window and embed, which is preferred, or attach to the It's Learning assignment. You will submit both for grading. Please note that I cannot grade code from a screenshot.